They left me. I'm all alone.
Wait, for consistency, we have to close this.
Consistency. Like this is a professional shoot.
This is professional. Bloopers! It's great to have you back in our episode. She's eating grapes.
All right, so.
Do you get it?
No.
She's eating grapes. It's great to see you.
But it's not my home.
All right, we are going to put the cookies, the monster cookies, in the oven. I gotta burp.
Excuse you.
Hey!
Did it take your burp away?
It took my burp away!
You literally transported it to her.
That was amazing! Hey, do you guys have Wi-Fi?
Yeah, we do.
No.
Oh, no.
Ah! There was a fly.
Who knew? Who would have thought?
I found some new songs.
This is fun.
Yeah.
They're called monster cookies because they're scary good.
Yeah, they are. That's really good. I like that. Good job. I just thought. Okay, I'm like, I was gonna say, was that something you had to plan?
Nope. But you did it! She did it!
Where'd you go?
I did it. It's almost like awkward the first few minutes when we're getting into this. Do you guys feel awkward?
Yeah.
I feel a little
Yeah, it
awkward.
feels like we're like trying too hard. I don't even know if I'm on camera, to be honest.
You're totally there.
Oh,
But wait,
good.
but wait, put your hand out. Oh, I'll show you. Watch. Step to the left. I'll tell you when you're not on camera anymore. Right, left, the other. You know which direction I'm talking about.
Sing celebrity guest. Special guest. Funny. Special guest. You can say whatever you want.
You are a celebrity.
In your eyes.
Own it.
Oh, what?
And brown sugar and white sugar.
I said brown.
And
Equality.
We thought it was crazy
We
with
should
you
do it.
people.
I know.
I'm done. We had too much coffee. You had too much coffee, honey.
Okay.
I shouldn't lie to my
When you're old enough to know what Disneyland is.
Yeah.
They're not even paying attention to what I'm saying.
What were you saying?
Yes, you quickly. Heads or tails, ready, set, go.
Tails. Heads.
No.
What was it? In between?
It
was on the
was
side.
obviously.
Invisible.
Obviously torso.
Non-existent.
I don't know. I backfired.
Because you haven't eaten.
4.5 cups of oats.
Holy cow.
It's because we're not used to
Oats
oats.
and 4.5 hours.
Oats. No, they don't.
No, that was a stretch.
You want some mixing music?
Yes.
Yes.
No one's watching the bowl. Oh wait, we're doing that now.
It's mixing, but I feel like we should spoon it for a second.
This can be the cover.
Yay! Here, just have it with a spoon. It's the dishwasher. Random squeaking. We were at a New Year's party at your aunt's house. And we were all downstairs, and upstairs we heard a cough.
No one else was there.
No
Everybody was downstairs.
And dogs don't cough.
It was the weirdest
Right?
thing.
Do dogs cough?
It was Mr.
Because it was-
Because it sounded like a
It was
man.
like a.
My mom goes, you have a knife? Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
She goes like this, and she's like walking. And then she gets close to the door and she goes, ah! And freaks myself out. These look good. These look bomb. Okay, you're not allowed to say bomb. Because that's how Joel died.
Who's Joel?
Saving Hope! Oh,
I haven't seen it. I don't want to watch shows that are sad. I don't like when people die.
I was bawling.
Oh, he's gonna blow up now? That sucks.
It was really great.
This looks bomb.
I mean,
Joel.
Joel!
Moment of silence for Joel.
There's red M&Ms in this.
Yeah. Are you gonna die if you have them?
Well, there is dye in them.
Okay, I think
have someone looking over your shoulder while you're doing something.
It's great. Not what you expected. We put them in the oven for
No, mine
7
not in
to
the
8 minutes. Well.
Okay. Over here doing work while they're playing.
Yeah, what?
Why the cat's
Okay.
working, the mice
Okay.
Bye.
Let me do Sarah's thing.
That's not my
breaking up with me?
Get out of our house, baby.
Such a
I'm
big
moving
break
in.
up.
You're
Are we
moving out.
done? Are we done?